So today we're going to be using the saute feature on your InstaPot. So it works just like a pot on the stove, but it heats up very quickly. So if you look at your buttons, you're going to press saute, and then I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and then start sauteing some garlic. So I will be making spaghetti and meatballs. While my sauce is going, I'm going to start some bow tie pasta in a pot. This is Trader Joe's pre-cooked meatballs, which are awesome, and the nutritional information. Trader Joe's Marinara sauce, also amazing and very affordable, and you get your veggies. Some kale, which I add to my sauce. It's a great way to add in veggies and nutrition, and it ends up looking just like it's basil or something. You would never know that it's kale. Fresh parsley. I also love adding this to my sauces. And this is how it came out, and I even had some left over for meal prep. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.